Hi, Zenayda. This is Denise. Let's read another story, okay? I'll read the page first, and then can you read it back to me? I Have the Hiccups, written by Anne Harth. Hic, I have the hiccups. They won't go away. Hold your breath and count to 10, Mom says. I take a deep breath. I puff out my cheeks. 1, 2, 3. I count to 10. Hic, I still have the hiccups. Drink a glass of water, Dad says. I drink. The water is cold. It dribbles down my chin. Hic, I still have the hiccups. Eat a pickle, my brother says. I don't like pickles, I say. He shrugs. It will get rid of your hiccups. I take a tiny bit of a pickle. It's sour. I make a face. Hic, I still have the hiccups. I go next door to Auntie Nora's house. Help, I say, I have the hiccups. Lay on the floor, Auntie Nora says. I lay on the floor. Lift your feet. I lift my feet. Sing the ABC song. What? I say. It'll work. Try it. I sing my ABCs. Hiccup. I still have the hiccups. My cousin Salima comes home. She's very smart. She reads a lot. I have the hiccups, Salima. Please help me, I beg. Hmm, Salima says. Stand on one leg. I do. I hold on to a chair. Now stick out your tongue. I do. I stretch it out as far as I can. Now open your eyes really wide. I do. And try not to blink. Now look over your shoulder, she says. I look over my left shoulder. Now, wiggle your toes. I wiggle my toes. I hope I don't fall. I am wobbling on one leg. My eyelids are getting tired. My tongue is dry. My neck is sore too. Wait, Salima says as she leaves the room. Don't move, she calls. I don't move, but I really want to. I wait and wait. Suddenly the door opens. A bright flash blinds me. I put my leg down and pull in my tongue. I blink my eyes and turn my head to the front. My toes stop wiggling. Salima laughs and holds up her camera. She shows me the picture she just took. I smile. I look silly. Yes, Salima laughs, but your hiccups are gone. Zenayda, have you ever had hiccups? What did you do to make them go away? Okay, that's the end of our story for today. I'll talk to you later, okay?